What is net asset value? It measures how much each unit of a mutual fund is worth. NAV is the price at which mutual funds are bought and sold. Let's understand this with a simple example. You and your 3 friends decide to pool in rupees 150 each to buy a large pizza costing rupees 600. The pizza had 8 slices, which means each friend got 2 slices of the pizza. Thus, price of each slice of pizza turns out to be rupees 75. Now just replace the pizza with a mutual fund. Let's assume there is a mutual fund scheme with a total asset under management AUM of rupees 600 with 8 outstanding units. The scheme had 4 investors who held 2 units each in this mutual fund scheme. Thus, the NAV of the scheme comes at rupees 75. Now let's explore a bit more on NAV. NAV is calculated as assets minus liabilities divided by number of units, where assets include market value of scheme investment and current assets including accrued income. Liabilities include current liabilities and provisions including accrued expenses like management fees, custody charges, commission to distributors and brokers, marketing expenses, etc. Number of units are the total number of units issued by the mutual fund company. NAV of mutual fund scheme is updated every trading day as the market value of securities it holds changes every trading day. So, should one only invest in a scheme with lower NAV? No. Let's assume you invest rupees 10,000 each in scheme A at the NAV of rupees 50 and scheme B at the NAV of rupees 100. Thus, you get 200 units of scheme A and 100 units of scheme B at their prevailing NAVs. After a year, if value of the investment in both the schemes increases by 20%, NAV of scheme A will become 60 and NAV of scheme B will become 120. Thus, the value of your investment in scheme A and scheme B would be rupees 12,000. Thus, low NAV doesn't signify that the scheme is underpriced and vice versa. Eventually, what matters is the performance of the scheme. So, what's the Faidelal ke Fande? High NAV should not be a deterrent and low NAV should not be a preference while buying a mutual fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.